Steve Cook with Lifeonaire. I'm excited to announce to all of you who are members of Knox REIA that in partnership now with Knox REIA, you are going to, just for being a member, get free access to Lifeonaire Get a Life events. And these are just something that are very, very powerful, regardless of what type of real estate investing you do. A Lifeonaire event is something that is transformational for both your life and your business. One of the things that we have been specializing in for many years is helping real estate investors to redesign their businesses to give them the life that they're looking for. We find that many people, give their lives to their business, hoping that one day the business gives them their life back. But they find themselves overworked, sometimes underpaid. Sometimes they're paid well, but overworked, and they're missing out on the reasons why they got into business in the first place. And that's one of the things that we do at Lifeonaire is help people to get their lives back and to not only have their lives back, but to build a wildly successful business alongside of that. And so I'm excited to announce to all of you that now, just by being a member of Knox REIA, you get free tickets to our events. All you need to do is reach out to Whitney. She will take care of you and get you to one of our events. She'll let you know when the dates are, but we'd love to see you there. And I just want to encourage you. It's one of the most powerful things that you will ever participate in is coming on out and working on yourself, working on your vision, redesigning your business, designing your life. It's, having the lifestyle and everything that you had always hoped business would give you. And just by being a member of Knox REIA, you get access to that today. So look forward to seeing you at one of our events, and you'll be hearing from me quite a bit more. Have a blessed day.